Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while I haven't uploaded a video, so sorry for that. So I thought why not to review about this product which has been recently using it. It's from a Matrix Biolage deep smoothing serum, and it says that it smoothens and controls the frizzy hair. Recently means I have just been using this product, and I have been finding it's very nice to my hair. And previously I used to use a Leave-On serum. So coming to this product, it's also the best one. So if you want to know more about it, then you need to watch my video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed or new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button which is just next to it, so that you get notified to my latest video. So let's talk about this review. So as you can see, the bottle comes in a tube like thing, and it's like an orange in color, and it contains an avocado, and it has a flip-flop cap, and which is quite tight, so it's travel friendly too. So now coming to its price, it's worth for the rupees of 295, and it's for 100 ml of bottle. You might cannot be read the description about the product. So what the product has to say is that means it controls the frizziness and adds an intense shininess. Then it nourishes your dry hair and instantly detangles as well, and it smoothens the rough ends, and it also protects from the humidity. So this is what all they want to say about the product. And yeah guys, I must tell you, this product is just works like a Leave-On serum as well. So how to use this product? So basically, for using this product, you need to take the serum on your palm and rub the before applying all over your hair, and apply on a dry hair, and then you can blow dry and style as you desire, and you can reapply thoroughly the day after adding some shinings, and it controls the frizziness as well. So coming to my experience is like I found it thoroughly removes the detangled hair really well, and provides a shiny and healthy and a shine to my hair, and it's perfectly a non-sticky product, and it gets quite absorbed into your hair by leaving your hair very smooth and shiny and it's quite a lightweight, and can be used on a dry hair, and it's good for a daily use as well. The cons I found it at, if you use more quantity of it, it might lead your hair like oily. So you should take only the means adequate amount of it. Yeah, so this was all about it. And if you were thinking of buying this product, then you can purchase it from Nykaa, Amazon. So it's quite available on any sites, or you can purchase it from any salon as well. So yeah guys, so this is what I have to say about this product. And if you're thinking of buying it, then it will be a worth of buying it. It just works like a Leave-On serum as well. So yeah, so this was all about the review, and hope you have liked this. Then if you do so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and always stay style and shine.